Hey there, welcome back for another episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson with the Jason Martin Group at Real Living at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to install a smart lock. Enjoy! Showing you today how to change out a door handle. We have a door handle here to our hot water heater. We're in a condo building here I manage in the local area, and I want to take this out and be able to provide easier access when somebody needs to get in here and I can't be present or show someone where the key is. All I gotta simply do, put this on here, I create a code, I can give that code to whomever's coming here. They'll only be able to get in this room and I don't have to worry about anything else. It makes my life easier, it makes their life easier. I'm just unscrewing this with a Phillips head screwdriver. So, no more doorknob, just the door latch. So you'll see here, we've got all our parts. Got the door latch. We're not gonna need this, so you can disregard that for now. We've got the side that's gonna face on the inside of the door. This part's gonna go inside here. And we've got this side, which will be on the outside, where we still have a key, but we've got our keypad. Sorry, it's upside down. Got the keypad here. I'm gonna have to flip the handle here so if it faces the other way. I'll show you guys how to do that as well. Here we've got battery, which is a 9-volt battery, and then we've got some other screws and things like that. Now you're probably thinking, well, we got a door handle that's gonna be facing the wrong way, right? So this comes with a little pin. We're simply gonna, I don't know if you can see this right here. We're gonna stick this pin in here. We're gonna push in this little hole, and it should pop right out. So instead, we're gonna flip it on the other side now. We're gonna turn it this way. Okay, so this way, it's not hitting the door frame, it's facing this way from there. On the outside, it'll face this way as well. So I'm gonna actually go ahead, I'm gonna take this off. It's just showing you for demonstration purposes how this piece goes into here. But now I'm taking this apart, you can see where the battery's connected. You've got another wire here that connects. And this also controls the lock mechanism so it unlocks, right? We have to connect that to this side, right? So we're ultimately gonna have to fish this piece through from the other side to the front here, and we'll connect it so it's powered. So there's a little set screw right here. We want to make sure that sticks out enough so that it goes into this little hole right here. We're going to do a test run of that, like such. So it certainly sticks out enough. That way it also prevents this from turning. We have a little spot right here. We're going to put this wire through there. And we will connect this so that the prongs line up. So you'll want to follow the instructions here, which are going to go over everything. So I already know what code I want to do. And you do want to make sure to test it before you actually lock the door to make sure everything works properly. This does come with some pre-generated user codes, so user code A and user code B, but you can add codes, delete codes, modify programming codes, things like that. Those all exist. So you're going to enter the programming code first, just 6 numbers, and it's going to be up here. Okay, so it should have entered successfully. So now it's unlocked. We know it works. Successfully put on a new code. I can't get in now. Now it opens. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned for more episodes. Thanks for watching this episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor on how to install a smart lock. I hope you found this to be helpful and informative so that next time you want to go ahead and install a smart lock or another smart device, this will be a good go-to resource for you. If you're also looking for a home that has smart devices, I can help with that too. Or if you want a house that has lots of fix-its, I can do that as well. Let me know. Have a great day. Bye.